Verifying your YouTube channel brings numerous benefits, including increasing credibility, improving your video quality, and also accessing all the advanced features. Okay, it also allows you to go on live stream. If you have up to 50 subscribers, you can go on live stream. But even when you have up to 50 subscribers, if you have not verified your channel, you cannot still go on live stream. Okay, you also be able to customize your channel URL, making it easier for viewers to find you. So one of the most significant advantages is the ability to monetize your content through ad, through sponsorship and merchandise sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube channel within a few seconds. I believe by the end of this video, you'll be able to verify your own YouTube channel. I made a video on how you can create a YouTube channel. I also make a video on how you can create a multiple channel with just one Gmail. Okay, if you have not watched it, you can check it out. But if you have already created your YouTube channel and you don't know how to verify it, whether you are an old person or a new person just starting a YouTube, this video is for you. So without much talks, let me head it to the other side of my screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just few seconds, right? So I'm going to head over to my Chrome browser because that is what I'm going to use for this particular tutorial. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. Then we're just going to type YouTube Studio. Okay, that's already popped up here, so I'm just going to click on that. Since I have the app already on my phone, I'll just long press and open it on a new tab, because if I just click on the first option, it's going to take me to the app. So, and I don't want to use the app for this particular tutorial. Okay, let's just give it a little time to come up. So, and when it has come up, you can see this particular interface. I'm currently using one of my YouTube accounts that I created especially for this particular tutorial. So you are just going to see where you see setting down here, and you're going to click on that. So when you click on setting, you have seen all these options here. You've seen channel. Okay, you are going to click on channel and you see all this basic info. You see advanced setting and you see feature eligibility. This is the one we are more concerned for the purpose of this tutorial. You can see that the standard features has been turned on because this is the default YouTube feature. Okay, like immediately you create your YouTube account, this standard feature will automatically be turned on. Okay, so you don't have problem with that. So you can see the intermediate features and the advanced feature. Okay, so these intermediate features, it allows you to upload a video that is longer than 15 minutes. Okay, and create a custom thumbnails, and you can live stream with this intermediate feature. So I'm just going to click on this drop down arrow. So when I click on that, you'll be asked to verify your phone number, and I'm just going to click on verify phone number. So when I click on that, it's just going to take me to where I'm going to enter the phone number and verify it. Okay, so it has taken me to this particular interface. So how do you want to get the code? Is it by texting you, or is it by calling you to input your phone numbers? Go ahead and click on next. So the code has been sent to my phone, and click on submit. Okay, you can see it here. Congratulations, your phone number has been verified. After verifying, we are just going to go ahead and click to go back. So after that, you come here, you now see that all these features are finally enabled. Okay, in order for you to enable this advanced feature, you have to do a video verification, or you upload your ID card, like your national ID card, your voter's card, or they might need your passport, like anything that has to show your face, and they might need it to verify this account. So currently, as you see now, all these features has been enabled, and this account is just so okay. So guys, If you find this video helpful, let me know what you think about that in the comment section. And if you have any question regarding to this, also do have to drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be sharing more tips on how you can grow your YouTube, your social media, and lots more. I know you don't want to miss on this, so do well to hit on the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a wonderful and amazing video like this. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.